Welcome. In this screencast, I'll be showing you how to set up a fresh Ubuntu 14.04 virtual machine as an Emergence server. We'll be using DigitalOcean, but you could use any other hosting vendor or technique that provides a dedicated Linux system. The first step is to make up a hostname. We'll use the default smallest instance, as well as the default region. And finally, be sure to select Ubuntu 14.4 64-bit as the Linux distribution. Click Create Droplet, and DigitalOcean will, within a minute, provision your new virtual machine. Once the machine is ready, DigitalOcean will send you an email containing the IP address and root password for your new machine. Once you receive it, select and copy the IP address, and then switch over to your terminal and type in the command ssh space root at, and then paste the IP address and press enter. Type yes to accept the machine's fingerprint. Finally, copy the password and paste that when prompted, and hit enter. Now that we're logged into the machine, we're ready to install Emergence. Switch to the Emergence install guide for Ubuntu 14.4 and start with the first command. One thing to note about this page is that you can click anywhere near a command and it will automatically select the portion of the command that you want to copy and paste into the terminal. So we'll start off with this first command, copy, paste, and this will update the package list and install any upgrades, so we're sure we're starting with a fresh, fully up-to-date Ubuntu machine. This next command will install all the packages required for Emergence. These next three commands stop and disable the default instances of Nginx, PHP, and MySQL that Ubuntu sets up. We won't be needing them as Emergence will configure and launch its own instances. This next step adds policies to Ubuntu's AppArmor to allow Emergence to manipulate MySQL and start its own instance. These next three commands increase the amount of shared memory that a process on the server is allowed to have. Emergence makes heavy use of the APC cache, and the default size of 32 megabytes is not enough. Now we'll check out Emergence from GitHub and install it using npm. Now we want to download the upstart script for Emergence so that Emergence can start when the system boots. And now we'll go ahead and start Emergence for the first time. Now to verify that your installation has been successful up to this point, grab that IP address, open a new tab, and go to the IP address :9083. If Emergence is running, you'll get a password prompt. The default username is admin, password also admin. And you'll see the screen with 3 services online. Now that Emergence is running, the first step is to secure that installation so that people can't log in with admin. So we'll need to install npm's htpassword tool. And then first we'll delete the default admin account. Then we'll create our own account. I just pasted the first part of the command. Notice that it did not include my username. We'll want to type one in. I'm Chris, so that'll be my username. When prompted, create a password. Type it twice. And then restart the Emergence kernel to reload the user list. Now if you reload this page, it'll be prompted again, and you should be able to log in with your new account. And that's it. You're ready to provision a site with Emergence.